Okay, today we're going to have a little bit of a chat about PVC versus mesh banner and the sort of whys and hows and whatnot. So here we have two samples in front of us. This is a standard 440 GSM banner, slightly laminated on the front, so gives a lovely print finish, and a little bit rougher on the back, so you know that's the non-printable side. As you can see, it's a cross weave material, so it's very, very strong, but that also can cause it to be ripped off during very high winds. So for that reason, you have mesh banner, similar sort of product, cross weave, but obviously full of holes to allow the wind to pass straight through. Production wise, they're very similar. They can both be printed on your PVC banner profile. No difference there. We've printed this one on a Mamaki JV100 solvent printer. Here they are printed and trimmed, ready for hemming and eyeletting. This would be the PVC banner here, and this is the mesh one here. Before we hem and eyelet them, there is one thing to do with the mesh banner, and that has a backing liner to it to stop the ink from passing through those holes and ruining your printer platen. So we just need to remove that before we can crack on with the hemming and eyeletting. So that's the backing paper off. Now you can see the true nature of the mesh material there. So the print is slightly more opaque for obvious reasons than the PVC banner, but then we'll get these hemmed and eyeletted and get back to you. So here they are, hemmed and eyeletted. Same process for both. If anything, I would say the mesh banner is slightly easier to hem, because when you're hemming it, the air gets pushed right through the holes, whereas on the PVC banner you can get air trapped in the hem, which can leave unsightly bubbles on the front side. Here they are hung up on our gates. As you can see, this is the PVC banner, lovely strong print, and again lovely strong banner, but if that wind catches it, it could damage it or potentially rip it off the gate there, which is why you've got the mesh banner there. Applications wise, both can be used indoors or outdoors for similar purposes. Mesh banner obviously works well for large scale advertising. We see it used in the construction industry a lot for fence barriers such as this, or scaffolding advertising too. It's also widely popular in the restaurant and cafe industry for advertising in cafe barriers. I think they work really well. And that's about it. If you'd like to know more about what you've seen in this video, make sure to check out our website, signmaster.co.uk, or give us a call.